Yeah. Tell her, nigga. Bring him the towel.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Carlos. I'm at the gym. I'm gonna show you how I train traps. I'm gonna show you the barbell, then I'll show you the dumbbells, then I'll show you the machines. It's gonna be 3 hand placements. I'm gonna go wide, elbows bend a little bit. Wait, get a better squeeze. Then we're gonna do back, then front. So like I said, we're gonna start off with the barbell. I like doing it with the Smith machine. That way it just stays in place. All you're doing is just picking it up. Come on, let's get started. Alright people, that's how I train my traps. It's just 3 different hand placements that targets, you know, different part of your traps. Like you seen, first hand placement was wide grip. I bended my elbows. That way I can get a better squeeze on my traps as I'm going up. And second movement, I had my hands shoulder width behind my back. You know, again, different hand placement. And then last hand placement was in front of me, real close grip. And like I said, it triumphed. It hit the trap different areas. But all trap exercise, that's how I train my traps. Those are the 3 exercises I always use. You know, I do them superset, all 3 of them back to back. And go ahead and give it a try. You know, you can go heavy, light. Those were 3 ways you can do them. You can do the barbell, you know, the dumbbells and the machines. You know, if something is taken, you have another option or another way to do it. You know, the machines are taken, go ahead and do the dumbbells. If all the light dumbbells are taken, you can do the barbell. I like doing the Smith machine barbell. That way, all you do is just concentrate going up and squeezing your traps instead of trying to control the barbell. But you know, it's up to you. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know, you know, if you liked it or it worked out for you. Put it on the comments below. If you're new to this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and push that like button. And thanks for watching. This is Carlos, and I'm out. You know what it is. Peace.